Alright guys, it's Farmboy 2006 back out here with another video. And today guys, I'm going to be going over a farm tour and a tractor tour. So, right up there you can probably see it moving. It's a 2017 Ranger. Right up there. My papa's driving it. It's got about 9,000 miles on it. I have a 1996 Honda Fortrax 300 four-wheeler. I have a 1998 Honda Fortrax 300 four-wheeler. And a 1985 Honda three-wheeler. And my uncle has a Polaris 500 four-wheeler and a Honda Rubicon 500 four-wheeler. That's my papa's 3500 Domax right there. That's my uncle's white truck in front of my papa's, and that's my uncle's black truck. I don't have a truck yet. I wish I did. But starting from the smallest tractors. This isn't the smallest tractor, but this is a John Deere 1997 John Deere 7810 hooked to a 300-gallon van sprayer. I'm sorry it might be a little loud because Madison Cocktail is walking on the tile. On our John Deere 6310, we have a 99 6310 that was replaced when that 6410 bone up. We got that 6310 and a New Holland tractor. I'd love to show y'all that, but right up there, Madison Cocktail, 6 in the top. Tractor right there is a John Deere 4440, and that's a LS 180 skid steer right there. That's 4440. There's a seed cleaner. There's a Dodge tractor. We also have a big old case articulating tractor sitting up there. There's a truck we put out nitrogen with. There's the wheat and everything. And right out there is where we keep all the junk. Hot wheel bottoms, tractors. If y'all can see that tractor right there with the white bucket on the muffler, that's a 1987, I want to say. It might be, I can't really remember. Big Dog 1987 International tractor. We call it the Big Dog. We have in another shed down the road, we have a combine. I think it might be an 86 6620 combine. Of course it's John Deere. We farm, I don't know how many acres we farm. This year we planted about 500 acres in wheat, about 200, not 200, but with oats and wheat we probably planted around 500. There was 500 here at the house, and we rented probably about 300 more, but we saved about 300 acres for hay, because we sell hay. We sell hay, oats, ryegrass, wheat, deal corn, for like if you're feeding deal. But right here, sitting under the barn, why is this thing zooming in? There we go. Sitting under the barn is a 468 mega wide hay baler. I'm gonna get my uncle's truck and ride out here and show y'all some of the tractors in the cow pasture. We got about 200 or so mama cows, maybe 50 or so calves right now. We sold some the other day. That was all the hay we have for sale this year. We just started selling hay this year. That under the top. The other day a lady came and got some and we slid in the ditch with that tractor and got stuck. But open the gate. Was borrowing our harrow one day. Came through here and hit the gate, knocked the post over, all kinds of stuff. That's an old sprayer we used to use. Let's see. Right here we got a gravity wagon, another gravity wagon over there. We got a cattle trailer sitting right there. Just some junk on the trailer. We got let's see. We got some buckets for that 6310 cab off old semi truck, golf cart. Don't run anymore. That was one of our old hay balers. Gravity wagon, nitrogen tank, 530 hay baler, Massey Ferguson 130 sitting in the back. That was another grinder mixer. That was my papa's old truck. I want to drive that one when I'm 16. I wanted to, but it's a stick shift, but he tore up the motor in it. That was the corn head for our combine. Some old plows sitting in the back. That was our hay rake. We hit something with it. Messed it up pretty bad. And that was an old bush hog. It's what we used to use to clean seed with. An old hay rake. Chisel plow. That was a grain drill. We don't use that grain drill anymore. That was a scraper. That was another old set of planters. We don't use them anymore. That was a 15-foot back wing bush hog. We still use that. That was a harrow sitting right there. That was another hay rake. That was an offset harrow, we call it. We plow with it. That was the colt packer right there. We hook it in front of that grain drill right there. And that's how we plant wheat. That was the loader that came off the 6410 when it blown up. We took the loader off of it. And that was a trailer, one of our old trailers. That was the loader off our 4440. That was a hay cuddle conditioner. That was a 6620 hydrostatic. We have one just like that we still run. And this year, when we're cutting corn on the other combine, the whole entire frame right here on the other combine just snapped off. So we had to take the parts off this one and put it on the other one. The reason this one, my papa's buddy locked the motor up in it, so we bought it from him since we had one just like it. We need an upgrade on that dang combine, I tell you. There's a Big Hand Brothers Paratil. We pull it before we plant corn. Hook it to the Case 2670 tractor. We have let's see. Riding right over here. I'll show you this. This is that harrow right there is a 22-foot harrow. I pull it with the 7810. This right here, this one hooked to this tractor is a 28-foot harrow. This is the big dog I was talking